Hi everyone, welcome back to Edikis. So having exercise 4. So exercise 4 is in words. So any then measure is based on scrolling up. A solution to exercise 4. So I doing a correction or the solution of exercise 4. So what's exercise 4 say? Outline complete the reaction and outline the mechanism. So step 1 first of all, then complete the reaction. CH3, CH2, the arm, QH, Aqueous, prefix. So aqueous prefix. The reaction is nucleophilic solution, that's a fact. The OH quick replace halogen. So we have it CH3, CH2, OH plus KB. Okay. What's aligning mechanism now? Aligning mechanism. I told you guys earlier, this mechanism is an SN2. So SN2 mechanism. So SN2 meaning the rate of reaction depends on concentration of Nu minus and concentration of Rx. So step 1, I'm going to ionize the reagent. So ionize the reagent. Q is ionized beef. K plus OH minus. So this is what is step 1, eh? This is just a preliminary step. It occurs before step 1. So expand the organic combo. So I have C, H, H. Have any expand on this R, C, H, H, CHC. Yeah. Sigma layers, sigma plus. The mechanism is an SN2 mechanism and the attack is a dose of attack. So the nucleophile come from the behind. So you have OH minus that attack the nucleophile, the departure of the living group. So the OH minus come from behind. So it's a behind attack. So at the end of the day, we are going to have this guy and ethane is it. So the mechanism is emit the lower one. So how many ethane we have the cocaine group that's coming. The halogen is going. You have C is E. H. You have H. It's an intermediate. So it's an intermediate. So here the formation of an intermediate. So the intermediate is so the Br minus stays as a counter ion, which is B down. The K plus so will stay as a counter ion, such that the positive and the negative cancel. So in this L is slow, then after it's pass. We have a rearrangement step. So the last step is a rearrangement step. So do the rearrangement step this order. You have gauge flow, C, Edward gauge. So that's C is 2, CST plus BR plus K, and K. And the mechanism. A mechanism is occurring up in a single step. So it's a one-step mechanism. During the organic mechanism, we have fellow outside slow, then metal on sparse. We have the Warden inversion. So during the Warden inversion, there's an inversion of configuration. So by university, you guys are able to see what happened when there's an inversion of configuration. But for the moment, that's how the mechanism goes. It's an SN1 2 mechanism. that occurs in a single step. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned on Educase.